Okay, children. So, last class we just discussed about constituencies.
Tomorrow holiday.
I don't know. Most probably it will be a holiday.
Why?
Most probably it will be a holiday.
Sri Krishna Jayanti.
Gandhi Jayanti, Gandhi Jayanti.
Gandhi Jayanti, Sri Krishna Jayanti, I think. Okay. So, children, listen to me. Listen to me. So, we have studied about constituencies. Okay, and we have discussed who is an MLA. Okay, and what means how he is being appointed. Okay, and also we discussed about the chief minister, who will become the chief minister. Okay, and who is appointing the chief minister and the other ministers, and who is an MLA, and why we call some MLAs are ministers as ministers. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. So let me ask you someone. Nelvin, can you tell me what is a constituency?
Ma'am, last class we couldn't write full about constituency.
Okay, I need to get only 1 point.
Each state is divided into
Yeah.
constituencies.
Many areas. Yeah.
Areas
Okay, that is
on
called.
the basis of the election.
Yeah. Okay. So children, for the purpose of election, on the basis of population. Okay, for the purpose of election, each state it is divided into many areas that is being called as constituencies. Okay, and we have many political parties, and in each constituency there would be a political member. Okay, from each political party a member will contest for the election. Okay, and those who have got the majority vote, okay, or those who win the election, he will become an MLA. Okay, is it clear, children? Is that point is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we know that here we just discussed about Kerala. 140 total constituencies are there, and LDF during the last election, LDF has won the majority. So the LDF is acting as the ruling party. Okay, so what do you mean by a ruling party? A political party who has won more than half of the total constituencies in a state. Okay, a political party who has won more than half of the total constituencies in a state is said to be a majority party or the ruling party. Okay, and the other party is known as
Opposition party.
opposition party. Okay, opposition party. So we have a ruling party as well as the opposition party. Okay, all the MLAs of the other party will act as the opposition party, and it is the duty of this MLA, okay, to represent his constituency. That means what all problems, if an MLA of just imagine if an MLA of Chalakudi, okay, Chalakudi constituency, it is his responsibility, okay, to focus what all problems are faced by the people of Chalakudi. It is his responsibility to ensure, okay, his participation. That means needed to focus his attention over his constituency, and if that people are facing some problems like shortage of safe drinking water, or any problems, any health related issues or any public issues were faced by the people of that constituency, it is the responsibility of MLA to find out an adequate solution for that. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for that we people are electing the MLAs. Okay, because they will work for the better life of the people of that constituency. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think it is clear to you, right? All these points are clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the governor, and in a legislative assembly, okay, we could see the governor. Okay, governor is appointed for a 5-year term, And who is appointing the governor?
President.
That means the central government. Okay, the central government appoints the governor for each state. Okay, and the governor appoints the chief minister and the other ministers. And what is the difference between an MLA and a minister?
Minister.
Hmm.
MLA means the member
Is in the
Member of
legislative assembly.
Then minister? Minister is not an MLA?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. See, children, all ministers are MLAs. Even the chief minister, he is an MLA. Okay. He has contested in a particular constituency and he won from that constituency. Then only means at first he would become an MLA. After that only he can become a chief minister.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, who has given additional charges of various departments. Okay.
Otherwise, who has got the who has won most the constituencies?
Okay, see children, a person, okay, who become an MLA, okay, he's getting some additional responsibilities of various departments. There is various departments under each government. Okay, under a government, that is health department, finance department, education department, and agriculture department, defense department. Okay, yeah. So one MLA, okay, the chief minister select some MLAs who are very smart or who is very experienced, one who are very capable. Were given some additional charges of particular departments. Who is our health minister? Okay. Then who is our education minister?
Professor C. Ravindranath.
Ravindranath. Then finance minister?
Thomas Isaac.
Thomas Isaac. Okay. So children, what these people are doing, what those ministers are doing, health minister. For example, Shailaja teacher. Okay, what she is doing? She is focusing her work related to the health department. Okay, she is responsible for all the plans, all the programs done by the health department. Okay, she is proposing new plans, new proposals for some plans for the health to improve the health situation, health condition of Kerala. Okay, and the education minister is responsible for all the things that is related to the education. He along with the other members, he needs to work for the improvement of the improvement in the sphere of education. Right. Okay, so an MLA, a chief minister, just think. So when a party means the majority political party will select their leader as chief minister, and the chief minister again select a council of ministers from among his political party, and the governor, yes, and the governor appoints. I'm saying something.
Adityan was talking to his family.
Mute your audio, Adityan. Okay, so from among this governor, it is the duty or responsibility of the government to appoint these people in their position. Okay, is it clear, children? Shall we move to the next topic?
Yes,
Ma'am.
And see, children, have you seen the press conference by the ministers?
Yes,
Not really, by
Yes. Every day nowadays, Pinarayi Vijayan, his press conference, it will be 6 o'clock, right?
saying something about the world.
About the
Corona.
corona. Yes, he will say.
Our state problems.
Because he is saying one word with, after 15 minutes. That is like that.
See, actually, he's conducting a press conference. What is the intention of this press conference? Do you know, children?
Right.
For everyone
IT.
to
Ah,
Each other.
see, children, there will be means the media representatives were there, right?
Yes.
From different television channels, different peoples are there. Okay, there for the press conference. Even he is coming with his. I mean, a couple of ministers. That is health minister and other some ministers will be there with him. Okay, and he will explain. Okay, he will explain to all of them the plans. Okay, he is means his government has started or initiated. He's talking about the programs or the plans proposed by the government, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, and the media people, what they were doing, like the opposition party, they always yes, always asking the doubts or whatever things we people want to know. Okay, we are getting all information because the medias are asking frequent questions. They are frequently asking questions to the chief minister, right?
Yes,
And tell you is that during the legislative assembly, we know that it is a place where all the MLAs were sit together and they were discussing and deciding the plans of the government, right? The government will talk about their plans. Okay, there are various programs under each department, and the opposition party, what they will do?
They will find the mistakes.
Yes. They will find out the mistakes of each program, right? What all plans forwarded by this, put forward by this government, all these loopholes and all these mistakes will be pointed out by the opposition party. Okay, and see, citizen of India. That means we have a democratic form of country. Okay, so as a citizen, it is our right. Oh, okay, so it is the government. A lot of issues were happening in and around our country. So the opposition party always focus on the loopholes and the mistakes of the ruling party. Okay, they will means they will organize protest. Okay, protest means they will conduct rallies, dharnas, picketing. Okay, so many measures are there to show our protest against the government policy. And the press conference, after taking an important decision, the government, the members of the ruling party, they will come and they will see the medias, newspaper, radio, television, all these representatives they will see, and they will publish it in front of these people, because we as a citizen of India, it is our right to know what all programs has planned by the government. Okay, we should have the right to know the details of the programs by the government. Okay, it is as they were in power, means this ruling party, they have they have got the power, but it does not mean that they can do anything. Okay, there are some people who always watching these people. Okay, means that they will always point it out or focusing on the loopholes and the mistakes. Okay, so children, let me share the screen. Okay. Children, the decision taken by the chief minister and the other ministers must be debated in the legislative assembly. If you watch television channels, news channels, you can see the debates in the legislative assembly. Have you seen it?
No.
No, just sometimes don't see, always if you were focusing on cartoon channels, you won't see like this. Okay, sometimes movies and cartoon. Okay, just give some break to these channels and for some time.
Which channel?
TV.
Kochi TV. Now also you are watching Kochi TV. 6th standard children.
No, ma'am. Now not Dora Bujji and all. Now it is a GG football and all super cartoons.
Oh, very good, Anthony. So you are you are seems to be a kid now, right?
Ma'am, I used to see news also.
News also.
Yes.
Honey Bunny, Dora, Bujji. Okay. Honey Bunny, I know. My son used to watch all this.
Honey Bunny,
Pavometer. Yes. Pavometer, yeah. I know that. Okay, so children, what I told you is that just give a break to these channels for some time. Okay, you can watch cartoons, you can watch movies, but sometimes you just see news. Okay, news channel, some only for.
Ma'am, I'll see 1 hour.
Ma'am, we used to see.
Okay, very good.
And
Okay,
1 hour for Pinarayi speech.
Pinarayi Vijayan's speech only 1 hour.
Become Panjar.
No, but it will take almost 2 hours.
Yeah.
அதுக்கும் மேல.
See, that Pinarayi Vijayan's press conference, it's okay, but also you can watch any one half an hour news. You just hear it,
Yeah.
24 hours.
We keep 24.
and even world news, and even also world news, and also sports news. Okay, so children, listen to me. The decisions taken by the chief minister and the other ministers must be debated. Debate means discussion. Okay, so what all programs or plannings was done by the government, it should be debated. Yes, in the legislative assembly. That means the ruling party MLAs as well as the opposition party MLAs. Okay, they should be discussed and debated. What do you mean by debate? Arguing. Yes. Yeah. Okay. And it is because during the debate, it is discussed. Okay, whether a particular decision is an interest of the people at a large or not. See, children, only by discussion only we could know. Okay, whether it is good for the people. Okay, whether that plan is proposed for a large section of the people, or if that plan is implemented, it would benefit only a certain section, only a small section of the people. Okay, so it should be debated. Okay, before approving a plan or before implementing a plan, it should be discussed in the legislative assembly. Okay, it should be debated by the opposition party as well as the ruling party. Okay, and the second point, it is also discussed whether it is urgent or not. Okay, whether this plan, is it urgent? Okay, is it needed to be, whose audio is not muted? Okay, so it is whether this plan, okay, it is to be urgent. Is it to be done urgently? Okay, or not? Okay, and how much it would cost the government? What is the budget? Okay, for implementing this plan, how much it would cost for the government, and also if there is anything objectionable for any particular community. That means that plan must be for the whole people in the country. Okay, sometimes some particular plans or bills, it would hurt the feelings of some community. Okay, or some religious section. So it would be acceptable. The plan would be acceptable for the whole people over the country. Okay, so that any particular decision, it must be debated in the legislative assembly. See, children, before you come for the next class, you should read. Anyway, you should have to read the textbook. Are you reading the textbook?
No.
Amal? He said the truth. Let me call your mom today, Amal. He said the truth anyway. I don't know how many of you are reading the textbook. How many of you are reading? Say me, means like Amal, be frank.
Honest.
Yes. Yesterday you read. Who is this?
After finishing the chapters.
No. After, don't wait till the chapter to be finished. Okay. Read the chapter the day, means that particular day itself.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the portions I am reading.
Okay. That's okay.
Ma'am, I will not touch.
Hmm?
I will not touch.
I do not touch. Who said this?
Pranav.
Pranav. Very good.
To read.
Okay. Anyway, you are. I mean, some are telling the truth. Someone said, "I have read, ma'am. I have read." Okay, so most of you have often tell lie to me, but you people are very good children. Anyway, you have said the truth. Okay, children. But before when you come to the next class, see, children, just read page number 34 and 35 in the textbook. Because it is about a debate in the legislative assembly. So each MLAs, okay, of that legislative assembly, they are discussing the problems in their constituencies. Okay, we will not get time to read all these problems. Okay, so you want to know one thing. It is the duty of the MLA of particular constituency. They need to represent. Okay, they are the representatives of that constituency in the legislative assembly. So it is their responsibility to focus the problems related to their constituency. Okay, if our constituency, just imagine Chalakudi, if some problems are there for any shortage of clean drinking water, if the people are not getting adequate water, okay, means safe water, or any other problems related to garbage or something else. Okay, so it is the duty of that MLA to discuss all these problems in the legislative assembly, and he has to find out a solution for that. Okay, it is his responsibility to find out a solution for the problems. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and it is the duty of the minister, okay, it means chief minister and the other ministers, they need to discuss, okay, the plans, the proposals, everything they need to discuss in the legislative assembly. Okay, because they should focus on the loopholes, okay, and whether it is affecting any particular section, whether it is urgent or not. Okay, and also it would means the total cost or total expenditure incurred by this project. All these things they will discuss on the legislative assembly. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then so we know that the MLAs, okay, MLAs and ministers, okay, so the work done by the government department, every department is headed by a minister. We know that every department, health minister, education minister, so every department has headed, okay, its head, okay, that is health, means health minister is the head of the health department. Okay, education minister, he is the head of the education department, right? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so each department has its head. Okay, every department is headed by a minister who is also an MLA. We know that all MLAs are given some additional charges, and the minister approves any work done or proposed by the department. Okay, it is not Shailaja teacher alone has taken the decision, means has taken the decision for regarding this health department. She is assisted by some people, right? Yeah. Okay, so these people, the ministers, approves any work proposed by the department. Okay, and the department is responsible for the projections and the completion of the work. Okay, so it is the duty of the health department. This health minister can talk about the COVID. Just imagine the COVID hospitals, which all hospitals needed to be changed as COVID centers. Yeah, quarantine centers. Okay, and all. And she is assisted by a group of people. Okay, and then only she could make her work properly. Is it?
Yes.
She could work because she need some assistance or some help from the other people from her department, nurse, doctors, ambulance workers, then lab, okay, lab technicians and all. Okay, so I think children, it's a time to wind up our class.
Ma'am, I didn't understand this one.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ah,
I didn't understand this one.
yeah, let me explain, children. See, children, so each department is headed by a minister. That you understand?
Yes.
Health minister, health department, health minister, education department, education minister. Okay, so each department has its own head. Okay, and what these people are doing? The minister approves the work, okay, proposed by the department. Okay, see, education department, it does not include only one minister, it include many people, right?
Yes.
Teachers, lecturers, then schools, headmasters, right? So many people are working under this department. Okay,
Yeah.
so the minister approves the work done by the department, and the department is responsible for the projection and completion of the work. That means what all works they have started, it is the duty of this department to complete all the works related to that particular department. Okay, and the MLAs, okay, they coordinate between the assembly and the department. What do you mean by this coordination between assembly and department? See, what all programs approved by the departments, okay, what all programs approved by the department, the minister, okay, she suggests, okay, she will suggest or she will implement or she will propose it before the assembly, okay, and majority people need to support after the debate. Okay, they will go for a discussion or go for a debate, and if the majority MLAs approved that proposal, then only it will be a law.
Okay.
Okay, so the minister, she coordinate, okay, between, she is acting as a coordinator between the assembly and the department. Okay, legislative assembly, the decision proposed by the department is to be presented before the legislative assembly, and the majority people has to give approval for that particular project. Okay, then only it would become a law or a bill. Okay. Okay. So children, this one, then we know that the opposition party always keep a watch over the functioning of the ruling party. Okay, and they take part in every discussion and debate held in the assembly, and they can check and protest any wrong action of the government. They can check whether any plans proposed by the government is wrong, is there any corruption. Okay, and they can also protest through rallies.
Hartal.
Yes, hartal. Then
Now no hartals that.
now hartals. Okay. Then different types of protests they were accepted, right?
Yes.
Okay, they are doing many measures to show their protest against the government policy. So the opposition party also plays a very important role. Okay, and you know that chief minister is the leader of the ruling party, that we know. Okay, and he is elected out of the total members of the party, gaining majority, means which political party has got the majority, from that political party he will selected. Okay, and he is the executive head of the government. Okay, he is the head of the government and responsible for every action of the government. Okay, see, Pinarayi Vijayan, he is responsible for every actions, even his chief minister, what his name? Just now he left, no? Shivashankar, right? Secretary. Ah, yes, Shiva Shankar. So, so many things he have done while he was in power. Okay, so for all his actions, who was responsible? Who need to say the answer for the questions by the medias? Yes.
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Yes. Okay, so he is acting as the chief minister, is responsible for every action of the government. Okay, and he or she coordinate between the government at the center and the state. What do you mean by at the center and the state? Central government and the state government. He act as a link between the central government and the state government. See children, it's the time to wind up our class. I'll discuss the last point on the next class. Bye children. Thank you. See you on the next class.